Okay, if you want to reset your Netflix app and clear all previous data to fix any kind of issues, here's how you can reset Netflix on any smart TV. So first we have to go to our TV's quick settings, and from there open settings, and now we have to go to the app section. So here the thing we have to select see all apps, and this will show every install and system app on our TV. And now we have to scroll down and choose Netflix. Now inside the app settings, the first thing you should try is clear cache. After clearing the cache, removes temporary files that may be causing glitches, but this won't delete our account. So in that case, after clearing the cache, we have to open Netflix again and check if the issue is fixed. But in your case, if you want to clear all of your data, the thing we have to do, just go back to the same section and this time choose clear data. Keep in mind, clearing data will reset the app completely. It removes login information and restore Netflix to its default state. Now open up Netflix again and you should see that it asks you to sign in again. That means the reset was successful. But in your case, if the problem still continues, here the final step. So we just have to go to the home section, and here we have to highlight the Netflix app and then press and hold the OK button or choose view details depending on your TV model. And here we have to select uninstall, and after that we have to reinstall Netflix from our TV app store. And after reinstalling, now check your Netflix should work normally. And that's it. That's how you fix Netflix error, clear bugs, or completely reset the app on your smart TV. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.